Yesterday I discussed parallelogram, law of vectors. Yesterday I discussed what is the parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. కట్ చేయబోక సార్ హోల్డ్లో పెట్టుకో కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. Look here, Nana. This is the P bar. Suppose this is the Q bar. This is also P bar because I take a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. This is Q bar. Okay? Look the diagram now. This one vector, this other vector. Resultant passing between the two vectors, and this is called diagonal of the parallelogram drawn from a point O. Two vectors away. Resultant also away. Here R bar formula according to vector addition P bar plus Q bar. Yesterday I discussed what is the R bar formula. P bar plus Q bar. Both sides I have to apply modulus. This is called, R is called magnitude of resultant. Yesterday I derived the formula, Nana. Yesterday I derived the formula R equal to under root, look the board, Nana, P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Once again repeat. What is the formula for magnitude of resultant vector? R equal to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Okay? Nana, yesterday I discussed theta is angle between P and Q. Alpha is angle between R bar and P bar. Alpha is called direction of resultant. In the physics, direction is nothing but the angle. Angle is nothing but the direction. Yesterday I derived tan alpha equal to Q sin theta whole by P plus Q cos theta. Yesterday this is the formula. Okay? Now I give a new formula. Look here. For example, this resultant, Nana, resultant angle made by the Q bar is beta. Okay? Yesterday I derived tan alpha. Today I derive tan beta. Okay? Beta is angle between R bar and Q bar. Simply in the formula Q is replaced by P, P is replaced by Q. Directly write. Q is replaced by P. P sin theta whole by, look the board now. P is replaced by Q. Q is replaced by P. P cos theta. Look here. Q write P, P write Q, Q write P. Beta is angle between R bar and Q bar. Okay na? అదే ఆల్ఫా అంటే యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ఆర్ బార్ అండ్ పి బార్. For example, if modulus of p bar plus q bar equal to modulus of p bar minus q bar, then find angle between two vectors. Most important 4 marks question. Look here, what is the condition? Modulus of p bar plus q bar equal to modulus of p bar minus q bar. Find angle between p bar and q bar. What is the condition given? To see, look here, what is the condition given? Modulus of p bar plus q bar equal to modulus of p bar minus q bar. This formula underwrote formula according to parallelogram law, p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Completed. Right side Sriram underwrote modulus of p bar minus q bar, write as, look here, p square plus q square minus 2pq cos theta. Okay, squaring on both sides. Root what? Cancel. Side nana, look here. Okay, nana, left side nana, p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Right side nana, p square plus q square minus 2pq cos theta. p square cancel, q square cancel, minus other side plus 2pq cos theta plus 2pq cos theta, write as 4pq cos theta equal to 0. This here denominator, finally we get 0 by anything 0 by 4pq is nothing but the 0. When cos 0, theta becomes cos, when 0, cos 90 degrees, 0 write as cos 90, cos cancel. What happens to the theta value? What happens? 90. Simply, this is the condition. Find angle between two vectors is 90 degrees. Please write. If two vectors have equal magnitude, equal magnitude, simply, okay, p bar, modulus of p bar equal to modulus of q bar. It write as p equal to q. Look the question. Two vectors have equal magnitude. Simply p equal to q. Find resultant vector. According to parallelogram law, find magnitude of resultant vector. According to parallelogram law, R bar equal to, tell me, P bar plus Q bar. Both sides we have to apply modulus. Find magnitude of resultant. According to parallelogram law, our formula is under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Okay? Find what nana? Magnitude of resultant vector. Keyword in the problem, P value, Q value same. Okay? It neatly write as, look here, P means P, Q means Q, write as P, Q square, P square. P means P, Q write as P, cos theta. Look here Nana. R equal to, look here, under root P square plus P square, 2P square plus 2P square cos theta. Okay? Nana, R equal to, right side look here, common term is 2P square into 1 plus cos theta. In the mathematics, 1 plus cos theta formula is 2 cos square theta by 2. Once again, 1 plus cos theta in the formula mathematics, 2 into cos square theta by 2. Here under root 2 into 2, 4 P square cos square theta by 2. Here finally write root 4 2 root P square P root cos square theta cos theta by 2. This is the formula for magnitude of resultant. Formula finally we get 2P cos theta by 2. Okay? Nana, two vectors have equal magnitude. Find the resultant magnitude of resultant vector shortcut formula. What is the formula? R equal to 2P cos theta by 2. Direct formula nana. What is? Q bar is given. Find how much? This is the question. Find modulus of P bar minus Q bar. This can be calculated. ఇందాక ఏం చెప్పాము? Modulus of P bar plus Q bar can be calculated. Now modulus of P bar minus Q bar can be calculated. Look here. Modulus of P bar minus Q bar write as, look here, shortcut formula P square, tell me, plus Q square, tell me, minus 2P Q cos theta. This is the formula. Okay, this is solution. Here keyword in the problem, both vectors have same magnitude. Simply P equal to Q. Here write in the solution. Look the board nana. P square. Q write as P because P equal to Q. P. Q write as P cos theta. Look here. Here under root P square plus P square 2P square minus 2P square cos theta. In the right side which will be common 2P square common into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, look the board Nana, all of you look the board. Equal to, look here Nana, indaka 1 plus cos theta formula emichana maths lo 2 into cos square theta by 2 1 minus cos theta formula 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2. Once again I repeat, 1 minus cos theta formula 2 into sin square theta by 2. Look here, 2 into 2 4 root 4 outside 2 p square outside p sin square outside sin. This is the formula for magnitude of P bar minus Q bar. అదే magnitude of P bar plus Q bar ఏమొచ్చింది 2P cos theta by 2. One important formulas, notice that this will be right in the last page of your class note. ఎందుకంటే చాలా యూజ్ఫుల్ ఇది 1 plus cos theta formula. Tell me Nana, 2 cos square theta by 2. What is the formula for 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, these formulas, last two formulas, right in your a particle moves in a circular path. A particle moves in a circular path where constant speed with find the magnitude of change in velocity when it describes at an angle theta with center circular path. For example, particle moves A to B. Look the diagram. Particle moves in the circular path. It moves from A to B. Look the diagram. In the circular path, A to B move. Okay? Tangent gives the direction of velocity v1 bar. Look here. This is v2 bar. Once again I repeat. Tangent gives the direction of velocity of the body. At A, what is the velocity? v1 bar equal to v1 bar. v2 bar equal to v2 bar. Any doubt? Look here. Look here now. Question is find change in velocity. change in velocity write as Ruchit delta V bar. Ruchit Papa, look here. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. Look here, Ruchit. Okay, find. The question is magnitude of change in velocity. Simply both sides I apply modulus. According to parallelogram, this write as, we know that, tell me Nana, V2 square plus V1 square minus 2V1 V2 cos theta. Any doubt? Look here. Keyword in the problem, particle moves in the circular path with a constant speed. Nana, V2 bar is a vector, V2 is a scalar. According to question, V1 equal to V2 equal to V. Okay, here substitute Nana. Find magnitude of change in velocity write as under root. Here V2 value write as V square, V1 value write as V square. Okay, minus V into V square cos theta. Neatly write as V square plus V square, 2V square common. Remaining term is 1 minus cos theta. What is the 1 minus cos theta formula? 1 minus cos theta formula, we know that 2 sin square theta by 2. It neatly write as 2 into 2, 4. Root 4, 2. Root V square, V. Root sin square, sin. Finally we get this formula. Directly ikkade raseyochu. Etla sir ante మధ్యలో ఏముంది మైనస్. ఈక్వల్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు చేంజ్ ఇన్ వెలాసిటీ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ 2V sin theta by 2. P bar comma Q bar are two sides of the parallelogram. And R bar comma S bar are two diagonals of the parallelogram. Two diagonals of parallelogram. Then R square plus S square equal to. This is the question. Look the diagram, Nana. All of you look the diagram. Diagram is most important, Nana. This is the P bar. This is the Q bar. Opposite sides are equal. This is also Q bar. This is also P bar. Okay? Look the diagram. P bar, Q bar, two sides of the parallelogram. R bar, S bar are the two diagonals. This is one diagonal. This diagonal is R bar. According to diagram, what is the R bar value? పొద్దున్నేం చూడండి ఇది చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ వెక్టార్ ఫైనల్, సెకండ్ వెక్టార్, ఫస్ట్ వెక్టార్ ఫైనల్, సెకండ్ వెక్టార్ ఇనీషియల్ coincide. These two vectors are added vectorially, shortest path, initial, final. Simply r bar equal to p bar plus q bar. Look here now. Simply according to parallelogram, both side I apply modulus. Simply r equal to under root, tell me, p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. ఇక్కడ కావాల్సింది r square equal to, look here, p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. ఇది completed equation number 1. One diagonal completed. Another diagonal. This is another diagonal. Look here, Nana. Look here. This is called S bar. According to diagram, this is the P bar. Look here. This is the Q bar. This is the S bar. Look here. First vector final, second vector final coincide. These cannot be added. Now once again, first vector final, second vector final coincide. These two vectors cannot be added. So this q bar write reverse here. అది q అయితే ఇదేమైంది నాన్న మైనస్ q. డైరెక్షన్ చేంజ్ చేస్తే ప్లస్ q కాస్త ఏమైపోయింది మైనస్ q. ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ వెక్టార్ ఫైనల్, సెకండ్ వెక్టార్ ఇనిషియల్ కోయిన్సైడ్. దీస్ టూ వెక్టార్స్ ఆర్ యాడెడ్ in the shortest path. S bar equal to P bar plus minus Q bar. It neatly write as S bar equal to P bar minus Q bar. Okay? Nana, both side I apply modulus, Nana. Finally we get S square equal to, write down, Nana, tell me. We know the parallelogram la, P square plus Q square minus 2pq cos theta. Equation number 2. Nana, we know that the question is ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి నాన్న, r square plus s square రావాలి నాకు. అంటే ఈక్వేషన్ 1ని ఈక్వేషన్ 2ని యాడ్ చేద్దాం రండి. ఫస్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్, ఈక్వేషన్ 1 లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ r స్క్వేర్, ఈక్వేషన్ 2 లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ s స్క్వేర్ కంప్లీటెడ్. రైట్ సైడ్ ఏమైనా క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతాయా? ప్లస్ 2pq కాస్ థీటా మైనస్ 2pq కాస్ థీటా క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. ఇంకేం మిగిలింది ఈక్వేషన్ 1లో p స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ q స్క్వేర్. ఈక్వేషన్ 2లో కూడా p స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ q స్క్వేర్. we know that ahi krishna p square plus p square write as 2p square, q square plus q square write as 2q square. Finally 2 is common into p square plus q square. Okay, this is the solution.